Hello everyone, my name is Ricky Morgan, owner of Morgan Physical Therapy, and today I'm going to talk to you about some regenerative medicine and some tools and technologies that we have here to help your tissues regenerate, recover, and feel their best at a quicker rate than our normal natural healing process. So all of these machines are built to help speed up your natural healing process that already occurs in your body. And sometimes our body just slows down, especially as we age. And so these technologies are super, super important to reach longevity, to continue to live the life that you love. And I'm going to talk a little bit about each one. So there's 3 different machines that I have here that I'm going to be talking about. And the big buzzword now seems to be Shockwave. And we do have Shockwave devices. Now, there's 2 real Shockwave devices that I'm going to talk about, these 2 here. And then I'm going to talk about what's called EMTT. And the abbreviation is just way easier to say. So if you have more questions, please reach out to us. So click on the link below to learn more about these. And these are really talked about quite a bit in our regenerative guide, which is in the description below, that you can receive for free. All you have to do is sign up to receive your free copy, and we will send that to you and be able to answer any questions you may have regarding these types of machines. So this is the latest technology, really, really good at helping cells regenerate. The question is how, and I'll talk a little bit about that, but I'm not going to get into the deep science of it all. I'm going to talk about what each machine does best, but it can be used for various other things as well. So again, this is to help regenerate your tissues naturally to help you recover and feel your best as you age. And obviously we're all looking to stay mobile, independent, energetic, and to keep doing the things we love. These machines have really changed people's lives. So I've had multiple clients that have done very, very well with these machines. And there's a couple clients that come to mind. And one is a client that has had shoulder pain, has tried almost everything under the sun to try to get that shoulder back to full function. The reality is she's still unable to lift heavy weights and to do her daily activities or household chores due to shoulder pain. She's done strengthening, she's done dry needling, she's done different techniques. When we use this machine here, EMTT, after one session, she was able to reach up, no pain, felt great. Now, think of this like investing. You do it one time, you're not going to be fixed forever. But, you know, usually the sessions, this guy here, twice a week for 8 weeks, twice a week for 4 weeks is this one. These ones are about 3 to 5 sessions when you start to really notice a big change in how your joints feel. So again, this lady felt significant difference after one session, continues to do well, continues to progress with her exercises because this has allowed her to reduce her inflammation. This machine here is built to reduce inflammation and pain. And again, it's EMTT. And so what you do is you can unhook it or you can set it and forget it, but you basically can put it on a specific area that's painful or you can move it around. Now this device, I think the easiest concept I can have is it creates more space for the good nutrients to go into your cell. So think of a cell that's damaged or not functioning appropriately, and think of it being full of nutrients that have been damaged, right? So what this machine does is it brings those healthy nutrients in and replaces that cell with good nutrients so that they can function better, right? And so that's a quick way to describe it. Now, I always do an analogy. I have kids. I think of like a little kiddie pool. It's rained, leaves are falling in it. It's getting kind of dirty and gross. So you dump the water out of that pool, you fill it up with new water, and it's nice and clean and ready for the kids to get back in. That's essentially what this machine does for our cells, right? So as the cells regenerate, if you will, or get that new nutrients, then you have less pain, less inflammation, and what this machine is really, really good at is bringing your stem cells to that painful area to help regenerate that tissue. Fantastic. These two are considered Shockwave units. This top one is what we call focused, right? Focused Shockwave. And this is the unit and what it looks like. This is built to go deeper into your tissue. Really, really good at getting after trigger points. Really, really good at getting at the deeper tissues such as bone. It's been shown to actually help heal stress fractures at a quicker rate, right? Which is fantastic. It can help nerves, it can help multiple tissue, but this goes deeper into the tissue to help and regenerate those cells and that tissue. This machine here is probably most common, especially in this area. And this is what a lot of people, I think, Shockwave is. So we kind of utilize all three of these units. But this one is, we call it radial pressure. And you're going to see this in a lot of clinics in our area anyways. But what this does is this helps soft tissue. So think of like a muscle strain. You pull the muscle. This helps to bring blood flow to that area and to repair that tissue, whether it be a tendon or a muscle. Really, really good for tendinopathies. So I think of like Achilles tendinopathy, plantar fasciitis, two very, very common injuries, bicipital tendonitis, right? Or bicipital tendinopathy. Common injuries that we see, this really helps them recover. And they see basically a 50% reduction in pain in one visit. Now, that's not guaranteed, but a lot of our patients are seeing that as we speak. So again, this is kind of what I utilize as Shockwave. Again, back to my patients. So the one shoulder patient I talked about, doing quite well. I have another patient that had back pain, and we utilized this on them, and significant differences after one session. Now again, twice a week for 4 weeks, this guy that's where the research is telling us you get the best possible outcome. Orthopedic surgeons are using these guys before and after total joint surgeries to allow the bone to heal quicker and the prosthesis to actually settle in the bone easier, so you have a much more stable prosthesis and obviously better outcome altogether, which is super exciting. So these machines we utilize every single day in the clinic. Again, please, if you're interested, register for our free regenerative guide in the description below, but also you can schedule a free discovery visit with us by visiting our website, again in the description below, calling our phone number, which would be on our website, but it is 701-599-3848, and schedule your free discovery visit today, where you can meet with our expert physical therapists and make a one-on-one plan for you, but we'll also let you feel it for free so you can see if it's a right fit for you. Okay, so awesome, Shockwave, that's what I really enjoy using in the clinic. One other thing I'd like to utilize is red light therapy. Red light therapy, very, very common, right? So I did my PhD in physical wellness of the collegiate athlete here at the university, and we studied red light therapy. So red light therapy beds, really, really good use for musculoskeletal pain and inflammation. And it works at the cellular level and actually changes the mitochondria, which I'm not going to get too deep into that, but it can help regenerate tissue and help you recover, which if you're doing an exercise program and you're really, really sore, or you're done with like a really high intense game, or maybe you've had an injury and you're rehabbing it and you're sore after the rehab, red light therapy is fantastic. Now, some of you might be like, well, I can't sit and take 30 minutes and go lay in a bed every single day, right? So what's really, really cool is we have what's called wearable red light. And it's a little device like this, and I'll kind of show you what that looks like. This is the controller, and then you usually do like a little patch. So it's magnetic, and what you do is you clip it on. You clip it on, you can get it started. I'm going to show you what it looks like. You hold this button down, and then you're going to see the red light come through here. It's like a magenta, so it's a mixture of red light and blue light. You peel this plastic piece off, and you can stick it where you're most sore. So let's say my forearm is sore, right? So I stick it right to the forearm. And the nice thing is it's treating me as I do whatever I want. So it's very portable. A lot of like NFL teams, professional teams utilize it because you can take it on planes with you. You can literally just have it treat you while you go and do your thing. So I have 4 boys, married. My boys are super, super active. And let's say I want to go play catch with my right arm, right? So I literally can put my glove on, I can play catch with them while this is treating that area that's uncomfortable. So it's fantastic. A lot of people are utilizing this for like different aches and pains, inflammation. If you're doing a tough workout and you want to recover a little bit quicker, red light therapy is definitely a great way to go. We recommend this to all of our patients that come through these doors, especially after rehab session, right? The beautiful thing is we don't have to take 30 minutes to do it here. You can put it on, we can exercise, or you can wait and just bring it home and utilize it at home. So it's portable, which is fantastic. I love this device. It's been super, super effective for many people. And again, if you're very, very interested, download our regenerative guide, right? And it'll talk about red light in there. But also you can choose to do a free discovery visit with us. Again, in the link below, you can go to our website and choose to do a free discovery visit where we can sit down, again, make an individualized plan for you and use red light therapy. So I use red light therapy with very specifically, we've been using it with athletes, but also back pain. There's one athlete in particular I think of, shoulder tendinopathy, and was a baseball pitcher. So what they did is they would put this on after an intense rehab session, or if they're sore after a game. So you could put it on before, get blood flow to the issue, go and compete, put it on after, and get that inflammation down. So the cool thing is they recommend to use this every single day for 30 minutes. Every single day for 30 minutes to get the best possible outcome in the area that you're trying to treat. Now it's portable, so you can move it to whichever area is sore. Some people have used it on their necks, some on their back, some on their knee, and you have a light heating sensation. So it's magenta, I said, there's red light and blue light. Red light penetrates deeper into the tissue, and it again is really, really good at musculoskeletal pain, reducing it, and reducing inflammation. Blue light is really, really good at vasodilating your blood vessels. So it's bringing oxygen and blood flow to the area, increases nitric oxide, which allows a cascade of events to happen to repair that tissue within your body. So again, natural ways, great ways that you can come in, utilize our services, or at least ask us more about it. We're happy to educate you on it. If you want to come and experience a free session, our team is happy to set that up for you. Just call us at 701-599-3848 or visit our website and ask for some free resources. We're happy to send them to you. Again, in the description below, there is a bunch of free resources for you, so please take advantage of those. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for more information on what we're doing here at Morgain Physical Therapy to help you heal naturally, feel great, and live the best life that you can for as long as possible. Longevity is our goal for you. Regeneration of tissues is also our goal. So those two go hand in hand. So let's live as long as we possibly can and pack those years full of life. Thank you so much for watching. Look forward to seeing you again soon. Bye.